The line shown in the xy plane passes through the point 0, 0 and the point a, b, where a is greater than b. Which of the following could be the slope of this line? Okay, the given line is a rising line, so slope must be a positive value. And we have a point a, b on the line. Since we have this point in the first quadrant, both the x coordinate a and y coordinate b must be positive, and also the x coordinate a is greater than the y coordinate b. Now let me draw a vertical line from this point a, b to the x-axis over here, and we have value a on the x-axis over here because the x coordinate is a. Now we can get the slope of this line using the formula rise over run, that is slope equals to rise over run. Now to get the rise, we have to consider the length of the vertical line segment over here. It is given by the y coordinate of the point over here, that is b. Okay, rise is b, and the run is given by the length of the horizontal line segment over here, that is given by this value a. Okay, here a. As I said already, since this is rising line, the slope we got over here, that is b over a, has to be positive. And also the denominator a is greater than the numerator b. In a fraction, if the denominator is greater than the numerator, then the value of the fraction has to be less than 1, and also it is positive. So the value of this b over a must be between 0 and 1. So that is positive and also less than 1 because the denominator is greater than the numerator. Now in the given answer choices, we have to find the value which is between 0 and 1. That is 3/4. Its value is 0.75. So this 3/4 could be the slope of the given line. The correct answer choice for this question is B.